Matthew.
Hey, hold on. Jaden, I'll get back here.
Let's hope that rope's secure. Jesus Christ. Those guys, there's no way they could have done this. No way.
Get over here, Jaden. What? Back up some.
Oh my
That thing
God.
rocks and starts rolling. Wait, where are we gonna go? I'm jumping. We're jumping a pool, what did you say? Holy cow! Where are they going with that?
In the front yard.
Well, pick it up, Lily. They're gonna put it down here. I thought he said in the back.
Wherever you put your dough out, you use correct weight.
Holy cow. Where's Bama?
You get a good picture to the house?
Mommy, you get it? Send it to whoever you want.
Oh my gosh. That is nuts. That is just nuts.
You ought to see what I did where
It was not over our house.
I know. It's just over 200 feet ethanol alcohol.
Mindy, where's your car?
I moved it.
Okay.
But, how are they not gonna hit that when they put that down?
Oh my God. That is just nuts. Oh my God.
What's that noise?
That's just a crane.
Strain?
It's a crane.
I thought you said that's a strain. Whoa! They drop it on the car. This is amazing. You're sure?
Mike said that guy working that crane's making like $55 an hour.
Yeah, just operate it. Hell yeah.
Not me. It's too much responsibility.
Right, so you got some good pictures. Didn't break any windows.
All the windows can probably be taken out and replaced.
Yep.
I'm gonna chuck one over the house. You want to?
Alexander. There are people up there. What the hell's the matter with them?
Up there. Holy cow.
Unreal. Just graceful as graceful can be. I mean,
That thing's a pisser to operate, man.
That was just, that guy.
Where are you going? Over here in the door. It's super.
Not